this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove people from photos on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. To remove people from photos, go to the Photos app and select a photo that you'd like to edit. Now, click on Edit button at the bottom and go to Actions. Then select Magic Eraser. Now wait a moment and circle the people that you'd like to remove. So I'll circle this guy. Then let's wait a moment. Now you can see it's selected. I can click on Erase. Wait a moment and let's see if the result is okay. If not, then we can of course redo it. We can go back and redo it. But yeah, I think it's quite good. And now we can just approve it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.